Picking and processing tea is a painstaking process. A tea plantation is divided into gardens, and tea is harvested in a different garden each day. That way, the new, young tea leaves that provide the best quality are picked. Pickwick cares about the quality of tea, the people who work at the tea plantations, and the world in which tea is produced. Together with the Douwe Egberts Foundation and our certification partner UTZ Certified, we help to improve living conditions at the plantations and care for the environment. The aim of the DE Foundation is to improve the quality of tea and to make its cultivation and processing more sustainable. Together with the tea producers, efforts are made to gain access to the world tea market. The DE Foundation, in partnership with Solidaridad, launched the first tea projects in Indonesia and Malawi in 2008. Certification with UTZ Certified serves as the standard for sustainable tea production.
UTZ seems friendly for us because they had international standard, but they adapted that standard into our local needs.
I'm proud with the UTZ certification because it's good for people, for our workers, for environment, and good for business.
Response from the workers is positive because although this is a new system, we get them trained for it, and they know the benefit that they will get. For example, protection of their health and safety. That's a priority for them.
In practical terms, certification means care for the workers and their families and a better living environment. Examples include the education and healthcare facilities in the residential areas at the plantations. The special attention paid to employee safety is another significant improvement. Measures to improve safety have been put in place in the factories. The machines have been fitted with extra safeguards, fire extinguishers have been installed, and escape routes have been signposted. As well as health and safety training, workers are trained to use better agricultural practices. That forms part of a continuous process to improve the quality of the tea. The first step is to take cuttings of the tea plants and plant them in a nursery. In the nursery, they're protected against drought, vermin and diseases so that they can develop before being put out in the plantation. After picking, the tea is put into sacks and placed in a shaded area. That keeps the leaves as fresh as possible. Shelters have been built at various parts of the tea gardens for that purpose. The workers also use these shelters to take breaks in the shade. The use of pesticides is strictly controlled in order to protect the environment. For example, spraying is never permitted within 10 meters of a river or well. The picked tea leaf is not yet suitable for making tea. It first has to undergo a comprehensive process of cutting, fermenting and drying in the factory. After that, a start can be made with transporting it to Europe. Pickwick plans to procure more certified tea in the future in order to contribute to improving living conditions at the plantations, the quality of the tea, and the protection of nature and the environment.